Let's make braised chicken thighs. This is a really delicious, easy recipe that could be whipped up on a weeknight or the weekend, and it just has a few ingredients. It's full of flavor and one of my favorites. So for this recipe, I am using chicken thighs with the skin on, with the bone in, because, well, it's cheaper. Also, it's just gonna look elegant in this dish. I've also got some potatoes, some lemons, garlic, of course, garlic is so good, lemon pepper seasoning, paprika, chicken broth, parsley, and some oil. All right, so let's get started with our chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead and start patting my chicken thighs dry, because if you wash your chicken or not, whatever, you wanna make sure that the oil sticks to the chicken. So I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of oil. That's gonna help that seasoning stick a little bit better. Some lemon pepper seasoning, as well as some paprika for color. And just mix everything together. Make sure the seasoning gets all over all the chicken. I'm mixing seasoning. I was about to sneeze. Oh gosh. Get under the skin as well when you can. Yum, 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 yum. Now, if you have the time, you can marinate this overnight, but I'm going to just marinate this for about 20 minutes while I preheat my oven and prep my remaining ingredients. Now that my chicken is marinating and I've washed my hands, I'm gonna go over and prep my vegetables of lemons. So I'm gonna start by cutting my potatoes into wedges. And you know, you just figure out how you wanna cut a wedge. I'm just gonna cut in a little bit larger. And this is what pretty much makes it a one-pot meal, because we're adding potatoes and then you can serve like a salad on the side. What a beautiful weather we're having. It's a big old wedge. It's a little bit too thick of a wedge. It's a big tater. It's a big tater. And I'm gonna chop my garlic. If you don't like chopping garlic, you could totally use jarlic. But I'm gonna go ahead and just chop this up. Garlic, 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 garlic. Wait, no, that's not even a song. Garlic, garlic. It makes everything taste better. It's so good. Oh gosh, garlic smells strong and potent. Oh gosh. Like, garlic really smells like garlic. I don't know. It's very pungent. That's why vampires like it, or they don't like it. I don't know. I'm gonna save my parsley to be chopped later, because I'm just gonna sprinkle it on top. Yeah, let me rinse off this knife. So I've got 2 lemons. Make sure you rinse them and dry them before you use them. And I'm gonna cut them in different ways. 1 lemon I'm gonna cut in half. Lemons in their seeds. And the other lemon I'm gonna cut into wedges. They both will be used in the recipe. They both kind of serve different purposes. Get out of here, seed. Shoot. All right, so our chicken has marinated, and I have preheated a skillet over medium-high heat. And I'm going to brown that chicken before I add it to our oven. Add it in skin side down. So we're gonna let our chicken thighs cook for about 4 to 7 minutes on each side. And then we're gonna flip them. after about 4 to 7 minutes. You want them to be nice and golden. That one could do a little bit longer on that side. Let me see. Ooh, don't struggle now. Don't you love it when your pot has hot spots? Great. Yes, these can do a little bit longer. I want it to be a little bit crispy. So as you can see, our chicken is nicely browned, and I'm gonna remove it and set it aside. It will not be fully cooked at this point. We're gonna finish it in the oven. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on our potatoes. Let me grab that. So you can see we've got oil still in here. I'm just gonna add that right to it. And just kind of cook these down in the the oil. Oh, I got splashed with some oil. Hurts a little bit. Let me roll down my sleeves. Oh, and my garlic, not to be forgotten. Let's grab that. Just gonna add that in here as well. Give me my garlic. That's garlic. Just kind of saute all this just for about a minute or two to let the oil coat the potatoes. We're not fully cooking them. We're gonna do that in the oven. So I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze some lemon juice on there. I am so paranoid about seeds coming in, so I'm just gonna, look at that. There's always some seeds in my lemons. I'm gonna do it in here. Look, there's a lemon, there's a seed right there. Disrespectful seed. Grab that. Oh, there's a lot of seeds in this lemon. Why are there so many seeds in the lemon? Yeah, I'm gonna be careful and just pour just the lemon juice in here. No seeds. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my heat. Mix it up. Got a nice little toss. And when you're tossing it, you want to try to get up any flavorful brown bits at the bottom. Then I'm going to add my chicken broth. Just add a little bit. That's going to help those potatoes cook and help basically get a sauce. And then we're going to pop those chicken thighs on top of the potatoes in the same skillet or braiser. And then we're gonna take that lemon we sliced and kind of just put it in the middle. If you see seeds, just get rid of them before you add them to your dish. It's one of the reasons why you washed your lemon. Where will I put the lemon? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Voila. So pretty. Now we're gonna put this colorful dish into our preheated oven that we preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna bake it for about 30 to 40 minutes uncovered. That's gonna give that chicken skin a chance to basically still stay crispy as well as cook our potatoes. All right, I'll be back. We are done. Our chicken is cooked through and our potatoes are tender. And the way to check this is just get a fork and stick it in there. Let's see. Voila. Stuck it in like a lot of these pieces. And the good thing about these potatoes is that they've been cooking in that juices from the chicken as well as the lemon juice and the chicken broth. Yeah. So let's go ahead and plate it up. Oh wait, nope. I forgot something. We're gonna top it with parsley. That only makes it look good, but it just adds a little bit of extra flavor. You could also season it with salt and pepper at this time as well. All right, let's make a plate. Which one should I get first? I'm gonna get this one. Just grab you a chicken thigh. I'm gonna get some of those potatoes that are simmering in this broth. You don't want to eat the actual lemon pieces. It's just to make it look presentable. Or you can eat it actually, it's lemon. It's edible. Voila. Or you can leave it crispy. It doesn't matter. Alrighty, let me move this big old pot out the way so I can eat. But it's hot. Probably should put some more potatoes on there. Just for the aesthetic. And now, time to eat. Yum, yum, yum. I'm gonna eat my vegetables first. It's coated in that sauce. I should probably get a fork to cut this chicken. Let me go get a fork, a knife. Let me cut my chicken, my knife. Look at this little end piece. It's covered in gravy and skin. So juicy and frothy. Okay, let me eat. That is good and seasoned. I could just sit here and eat this all day. I will, because it's my dinner. Let me take another bite. That's bomb. All right, guys. I'm off to go finish eating, but until the next time, bye. I should have opened the oven first, huh? Okay. Oh, that's it. No, we can stop.